All right, so our new unit is about graphing. And so we have some vocabulary words that we need to learn what they mean. So we have coordinate plane, origin, the x-axis, the y-axis, an ordered pair. Okay. So a graph itself is called the coordinate plane. Okay. And then the horizontal line, horizontal is flat, is the x-axis. And the vertical line, which goes up and down, is the y-axis. Okay. And where the x and the y-axis come together, that point is at 0, 0, and we call that the origin. Okay, point 0, 0. And that point is called an ordered pair. Okay, so an ordered pair has an x point and a y point. So this point right here, which is 5, 4, is because it is on the x at 5, and it is on the y at 4. So 5, 4. All right. Oh, that's just terrible. It's a little better up close. All right, so in 3 minutes, a North American wood turtle can travel about 17 yards. If the x-axis represents the minutes and the y-axis represents the yards, write an ordered pair to represent the situation. So we have 17 yards, which we are told that the y represents our yards. And we know it's 3 minutes, and we know the x represents our minutes. So when we go to write that as an ordered pair, we would write it as 3, 17. Okay. 2 friends are each saving money in their bank accounts. Marcus saves $10 each week, while David saves $15 each week. Make a table for each friend that shows the total amount saved for 1, 2, 3, and 4 weeks. List the information as ordered pairs of weeks to total dollars. All right, so we know that they're saving for 1, 2, 3, and 4 weeks. So you can see 1 through 4 is listed. Let's look at Marcus first. Marcus says he saves $10 each week. So after week 1, he has $10. After week 2, he now has $20 because each week he's saving 10. At week 3, he has $30, and at week 4, he has $40. So if we want to write that as an ordered pair, we start with our x and go to our y. So 110, 220, 330, and 440. Okay, now let's look at David. Same 4 weeks, but he saved $15 each week. So in week 1, he had $15. In week 2, now he has $30. Why? Because 15 plus 15 is 30, or 15 times 2. In week 3, he's got $45. And in week 4, he has $60. So if we write that as an ordered pair, 115, 230, 345, and 460. Now it says graph the ordered pairs for each friend on the same coordinate plane. So let's look at Marcus first. So we're going to graph these. Remember, our x-axis is the horizontal, our y-axis is vertical, okay? So remember that Marcus was 110, 220, 330, and 440. The first number is our x, and the second number is our y. So 1 on the x and 10 on the y. 2 on the x, 20 on the y. 3 on the x, 30 on the y. 4 on the x, and 40 on the y. So if we took a ruler, these points that are connected, these are Marcus. Okay. All right, let's look at David. David had 115, 230, 345, and 460. All right, so let's graph David. So remember, these are your X's and these are your Y's. They always go in that order. So at 1, we're at 15, which is in between 10 and 20. 230, 345, and 460. Again, we take our ruler. And there's David. Okay, so then it says, how do the ratios of Marcus's savings and David's savings compare? Well, we know David's saved more. He saved more money, each week.